A federal high court sitting in Abuja has adjourned further proceedings in the case against the detained leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, till Wednesday, January 19th. Hi, welcome to What's Happening. These are the top 10 stories now. At number 10, the governor of Abia State, Ikpeazu, has blamed the condition of the roads in his state on the activities of residents who dispose of hot water used to defeather chickens on the roads. The governor made this statement during a radio interview when he was asked why some of the newly constructed roads in the state appear not to be durable. Governor Ikpeazu said, "People on Folks Road every Sunday in the morning will boil water beyond 100 degrees centigrade. That water they use to defeather birds and chickens. They pour that water on asphalt. It baffles me." At number 9, Justice Mojishola Dada of the Special Offences Court in Ikeja, Lagos State, has granted Instagram celebrity Ismaila Mustafa, popularly known as Momfa, bail of 200 million naira. The court, which granted the bail on Tuesday, also requested two sureties, one of which must own a property valued at 100 million naira within its jurisdiction. Recall that on January 10th, Mr. Momfa was rearrested by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission for laundering funds obtained through unlawful activities and retention of alleged proceeds of crime. He and his company, Ismailo Global Investments Limited, are standing trial on an amended 22-count charge bordering on cyber fraud and money laundering to the tune of 32.9 billion naira brought against him by the EFCC. At number 8, the Rice Farmers Association of Nigeria says Nigeria will soon begin exporting rice to other countries. In an interview on the sidelines of the unveiling of the mega rice pyramids in Abuja on Tuesday, the secretary of the Kanu chapter of RIFAN, Ado Hassan, said, "We have leaders of some of our neighboring countries who are coming here today to see our miracle in rice. They are a sure market for our rice exportation." Mr. Hassan assured that the massive investment in rice cultivation by Nigeria will bring down its price and make it available to ordinary Nigerians. The Rice Pyramids, which was unveiled by President Muhammadu Buhari, is a joint project between the Central Bank of Nigeria under its Anchor Bourase program and RIFAN. At number 7, hours after his abduction, the district head of one community in Jos South local government area of Plateau State, Dagyang Balak, has regained his freedom. The Nigerian Army confirmed the development in a statement on Tuesday by the spokesman for Operation Safe Haven, Ishaku Takwa. Mr. Takwa said the commander of Operation Safe Haven, Ibrahim Ali, placed troops of Sector 6 in Riyom on red alert shortly after the traditional ruler was abducted. He added that 2 suspects were arrested at an abandoned building during the operation. This development led to the release of the paramount ruler by his abductors, and he has been reunited with his family. At number 6, troops of the Nigerian Army and bandits reportedly engaged in a fierce gun battle in Maraban Rido community in Chukun local government area of Kaduna State early this morning. It was gathered that both sides suffered casualties in the encounter, which sparked tension in the community. The village head of the community, Joseph Sauri Garuba, who confirmed the incident to newsmen, said the gun duel between the bandits and the soldiers lasted 3 hours. Reports say the bandits invaded the community around midnight with the intention of abducting residents. About 10 persons who had been abducted were reportedly rescued by the troops who thwarted the operation and engaged them. At number 5, the Speaker of the House of Representatives, Gbajabiamila, has disclosed that amendments to the rejected Electoral bill will be reintroduced to the House of Representatives on Wednesday, January 19th. The Speaker, who made the disclosure in his address to welcome members of the House back from the 2021 Christmas holidays at the plenary on Tuesday, said the nation can't afford to throw the baby with the bathwater as far as the Electoral bill was concerned. Mr. Gbajabiamila further stated that it was left for the House to either stick to the direct primary mode or rework the bill and retransmit it to President Muhammadu Buhari for his assent. At number 4, the National Commission for Museums and Monuments has said Nigeria will receive over 1,030 Benin artifacts from Germany in 2022. The Director General of NCMM, Abba Tijani, said this in an interview in Ibadan on Tuesday. He noted that many artifacts had been received from Germany, but the Commission would receive at least an additional 1,030 in 2022. Recall that the objects were taken from the country during the punitive expedition of Benin in 1897. According to the DG, When the artifacts are received, it will give the Commission the opportunity to build new museums and attract more tourists across the world. At number 3, 4 persons have lost their lives while 12 others sustained injuries in a motor accident that occurred on the Lagos-Ibadan expressway this morning. The Public Education Officer of the Federal Road Safety Corps, Ogun Sector Command, Florence Okwe, disclosed this in a statement on Tuesday, adding that the accident occurred at about 10:54 a.m. around Oniworo in Fidiwo village in the Electoral local government area of Ogun State. Mrs. Okwe said 2 vehicles were involved, a Mazda bus with registration number APP 111XM and a Howo tanker that had no registration number on it. She also said 16 persons were involved in the accident, which comprised 13 male adults and 3 female adults. While 4 died, 12 were injured. At number 2, the ruling All Progressives Congress has announced February 26, 2022 as the date for its national convention. The date was announced on Tuesday by the chairman of the Caretaker and Extraordinary Convention Planning Committee, Mai Mala Buni, at the National Progressive Women's Conference in Abuja. Governor Buni said, "Today APC parades over 41 million registered members, asserting our position as Africa's largest political party and of course Nigeria's leading political party. With this, we are confident of winning the 2023 general election with huge success. We look forward to having more women contesting in the forthcoming national convention of the party from February 26, 2022 and the general election." Finally, at number 1, a federal high court sitting in Abuja has adjourned further proceedings in the case against the detained leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, till Wednesday, January 19th. The case was adjourned on Tuesday following Mr. Kanu's complaints that the federal government failed to promptly serve him the fresh 15 amended charges it brought before the court. The IPOB leader, through his team of lawyers, newly led by Senior Advocate of Nigeria, Chief Mike Ozekome, further accused the federal government of Nigeria of denying him the necessary facility to defend the charge against him. Barrister Ozekome told the court that the amended charges were served on them barely 24 hours to the scheduled hearing. Always remember to wear your mask, wash your hands, and stay safe. That's all for today. See you next time on What's Happening.